Everyone is talking about Roko's Basilisk, the idea that a future AI could punish people for not helping bring it into existence. But I think the real Basilisk is already here. It is not some future superintelligence. It is what happens when companies build AI systems that make people act out of fear. Fear of falling behind, fear of being replaced, fear of missing the AI wave, fear of not automating fast enough. And when companies act from fear, they do not build better AI. They build disconnected copilots, uncontrolled agents, black box workflows, and automation without accountability. That is the real risk, not AI itself, AI without governance. This is why we are building ADVNT. It helps organizations activate intelligence across their existing platforms while keeping control of authority, accountability, data, execution, and alignment. Because the future of AI will not be won by whoever automates the fastest. It will be won by whoever governs intelligence before they scale it. The real Basilisk is not AI. The real Basilisk is intelligence without wisdom.